Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Latest in Beauty. This is my October choices. So if you want to see my choices for October 2021, just keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. This is Latest in Beauty. If you're new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £13.95, no, £12.95 plus the shipping fee, which is £3.95. If you continue to be a subscriber, after 3 months you will become a member pro, which you will pay only £12.95 because the delivery is free, and you will also have 15% off, I think, in their collection, in their limited edition boxes. So yes, let's open it, shall we? When you open it, it looks like this. It says Latest in Beauty, my beauty discovery. You can choose 6 products from skincare to makeup in their beauty counter. So yes, the first one that I choose is this from Rama Sponges Love Wood Super Soft Body Sponge. I tried this product before and it's really good. Love this. It's like quite wet. When you open it, it will become like hard when it's dry, but once you wet it, it will become like soft. Yes, I really enjoy using it. And as always, lovelies, they don't put leaflet here, so I will pop here the price or here. So yes, I choose this one. It says create your own little bit of heaven with our super soft body sponge. For over 75 years, we have been making exceptionally soft and gentle sponges for the ultimate daily indulgence. And it's very soft. That's why I really like this one. And then the second one that I choose, this one from Provocan, and this is the CBD Massage Oil. I really need at the moment some massage, some pampering, to be honest. Yes, it has 50 ml. I'm not sure if it's a full size, to be honest, but yes, it's like a spray. Let's smell it, lovelies. Yeah, it smells like herbs, like that's like natural ingredients. It smells really nice. I can't wait to try this one. And I think this is in the scent tropical, I think. But yes, it says apply liberally and massage into the skin as needed, and it doesn't say anymore. So yes, this is the second item that I choose. And then the third product that I choose is from Temple Spa, a soothing balm for aching feet and lips. I really need at the moment because of my work, my legs and feet. It really hurts because I on my feet sometimes 9 hours or more than 9 hours. So I really need this one at the moment. Oh, it doesn't have the seal, so we can try it. Oh, smells like minty. It smells like Vicks. Do you know Vicks? When you're sick, they put Vicks on your tummy, on your chest, and it smells like that. It smells nice, definitely. Oh, it smells really nice. I hope I don't have on my nose, but yes, it smells relaxing, like minty Vicks one. Love the smell. And then the next one that I choose is from Majesty Pure 24 Karat Gold Eye Cream, and this is a brightening shadow buffing eye cream. And as you know, I love receiving eye cream, so yes, I choose this one. It's a full size. It has 15 ml, and it says effectively reduce puffiness and dark circle under the eye. I really hope so, because lately I don't really sleep really well. So yes, I really need this one. And then the other one that I choose is from Nabla, And this is from Creamy Liquid Lipstick. It's a full size, and this is in the shade My Rules. And this is the shade. I love this shade. Perfect for everyday, and the packaging, it's really cute. So yes, I tried few products from Nabla. This is an Italian brand, so yes, can't wait to try this. And then the next one I choose is from Kate Summerville Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. So yes, I heard this one here. Everyone was raving about this product, so I'm really curious to try. And this one, it says use 1 or twice a week, apply a thin even layer to a clean wet face, massaging in a circular motion for 30 seconds, leave on for up to 2 minutes, rinse and gently pat dry. This product may cause the skin to tingle and flush lightly for a short time. For sensitive skin, leave on for less than 1 minute. So yes, this is the one that I choose. So that's all the products that I choose. It's all 6 items. But also lovely, this month you will receive freebie, and you will receive from Cetaphil the moisturizing lotion, which is just a sample size. And then you will receive also a perfume from Elisab. Oh, smells nice. And this is the fragrance of a bright ray of sun, luminous woody floral fire. Oh, smells florally one. So yes, that's all for this month. Let's recap. So you will receive for free a freebie from Elisab perfume, a sample perfume, a Cetaphil moisturizing lotion, a sample one, and then I choose also the Majesty pure 24 karat gold eye cream, full size. And then from Temple Spa, the soothing balm for aching feet and lip, 30 ml. And then I choose also from Provocan CBD Massage Oil. I really need this one at the moment. And then I choose also the Nabla, the Dreamy, the shade My Rule. And then the sponge from Rammer. I love this one, very soft. And then the Kate Somerville, the Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. So that's all the products that I choose this month. Overall, I will use every single product. So that's the thing I like from Latest and Beauty, that just the product that you like, and definitely you will use every single product from your choices. So yes, that's all for me this month. What do you think of my choices? Did you choose already, lovelies? What did you choose? And yeah, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.